reason. Then what is the point of power? What is the point of power? If you as our governor cannot assure peace without protest, if the governor cannot secure peace without work, without march, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Where are we walking to? Gongo na be the issue we may even want to know. Where are we walking to? So please, governor, as you know, they call you. Make I even let justice work for peace. In life, all of us must know say nation building is deliberate. Nation building is a deliberate act. You understand? It shows how unserious our government is. Where we say that they plan this. Okay, just imagine say that they say this work of peace. Imagine if the governor actually thought this thing was important. It not be boju. It just not be slap in our face. It just not be insult upon the blood of all our martyrs who don't die throughout the time to bring us to where we did today, from Nkrumah to the youth of Lekki, from Lumumba to all the people they keep for Orile, all the martyrs where Africa don't get, we don't die, we don't spill blood for this country. If not be insult, if not be this work of peace, not be insult to their name. Is it supposed to be arranged so shabbily? If this was real, not be only governor go stand there. We go away and they call our name. We go don't stand. We go take there with them for that interview. Why? Because we have had meetings. We don't discuss. We don't commit to plans, to real tangible plans. We go give the people justice. Where we say yes, things are about to change. All of us go stand with them because we don't see, because it will be a real plan. The work will be the beginning of a plan. The work will be a symbol of something tangible, not a token. Not be say because they won't pay 3 million naira per hour step in the work, because I never forget that one. It will not be just because they want to give you 3 million per step. That will be part of the tangible plan. No, but it's not a tangible plan. It is to save one man's career. You see how Sanwo-Olu turned in career to peace. You see, that's a work for Sanwo-Olu's political career. A work for Sanwo-Olu's political career. They turn out to work for peace. Now see, the way he equates his own political... Well, sir, Lagosians, but that way to... This might be Sanwo-Olu letting us look, babe. See, APC oba pick ohun, tell about pick me. If na no pick me, there will be no peace. Oh, my daru. Baba won't do Jacob Zuma for them. Oh. Baba wants to go full. I mean, you won't go full Jacob Zuma. Let's work for peace. Oh, don't ABB Nigba. My daru. Work for peace, ladies and gentlemen. Well, me, I will not be there. I will not be there. And if this so-called work for peace is announced before there's any tangible justice, before Sanwo-Olu himself announces he's stepping down in the next 2 years, you cannot say, he can never say he resign. You know, we as Nigerian people, if this goes on, we must declare work for justice, not W-A-L-K. Work, W-O-R-K. If in they do if governor announced work for peace on the 10th of December, Nigerian people or Lagosians, since now our governor, Lagos governor, more no disturb Nigeria. Since now our governor won't work for peace. If you know now on 10th of December, we Nigerian people must activate work for justice by 9th of December, because there must be justice before peace. There must be justice before peace. So if the governor is going on work for peace on the 10th, we Nigerian people must go work for justice on the 9th. Because obviously, we must remind him that there must be justice before peace. There must be what? Justice before peace. Justice. And everybody knows in this world, for the governor to go, as the governor they go do this peace, so it means say he's negating justice in the name of peace. And we know that justice delayed, justice deferred, is justice denied. And this is over 1 year of delay. This is over 1 year of delay. This is over 1 year of deferment. So justice is already being denied. And we are going just no. We must work for justice. We must work for justice. It pained my heart that an educated man like the governor read that kind of speech for about 10-15 minutes, and inside all that thing where him read everything about the justice was rhetorical, rhetoric. He did not say one tangible action. Just last night, some policemen still harassed my wife. Why should Nigerians be harassed on the road still for driving their cars? The only reason a Nigerian should be stopped by police is if the Nigerian is being investigated, or you commit traffic offense. If you not commit traffic offense and you are not under investigation, why should anybody have the right to just stop you on the road? Only black people. This thing they happen to all over the world. Even police for Europe and America are stopping black people up and down. You come to our country too, you can't move in peace as a black person. Anywhere we have police harassing us as black people, there's no safe space. So we don't know the date of your peace walk. But if you do this peace walk and there's no justice, we must do work for justice. We must work for justice on your behalf. Because you don't know what justice means then. So we must work for justice on your behalf. That's why we put you there. We didn't put you there to work for peace. We put you there to work for justice. If you work for justice, peace will handle itself. The reason Nigeria is not peaceful is because Nigeria is unjust. Too many injustice. Injustice left, right, every corner injustice. There's injustice in every government policy. There's nothing this government does, any government, previous government, where we the people find fair. Whether now on a subsidy policy is not fair to the people, policing policy is not fair to the people, counter-insurgency, even the tactics when I take the kid, say I want to fight terrorists, now civilian they harm pass. Look, that's our federal governor way off phone, say because of bandits, off the old telephone. Still the bandits were working. Now people they suffer. Why are you people like this? Why can't you just concentrate on justice? Concentrate on doing the right thing. You cannot work. Peace is something peace is a symptom of a just society. An unjust society cannot demand peace, cannot work for peace. You can't do anything. Peace is something that comes out of something. Peace is a symptom of justice.